Want to create realistic water in Unity 6 using shader graph? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make stunning water with normal maps, transparency, and reflections, all in Unity's URP. Let's dive in. We'll need a plane to represent the water surface, so go to Game Object 3D Object Plane and reset its position. Next, let's create a new shader graph. Right-click in the project window, go to Create Shader Universal Render Pipeline Lit Shader Graph. Name it Water Shader and double-click to open it. Now, create a material, assign the shader to it, and apply it to our water plane. We're now ready to build the shader. To create realistic waves, we need a normal map. I already have a video showing how to do that in Photoshop. Check it out in the video description. Select normal map texture and set type to normal map. Back in Shader Graph, create a texture 2D property and load our normal map. Connect it to a sample texture node, then link it to the normal input of the shader. Water is semi-transparent, so let's add transparency. Use a Fresnel effect node to create a realistic edge highlight and multiply with an alpha control. Connect this to the shader's alpha output. For refraction, use a scene color node to distort the background based on the normal map. This makes it look like light bends through the water. Now, let's animate our water. Add a time node and connect it to the UV coordinates of the normal map. Adjust the tiling and speed to make the waves move realistically. Remember to assign normal map color to the shader material. Add some 3D objects to the scene to simulate the environment. Let's add variable to control Fresnel strength. And color variable to control color water. And there you have it, a dynamic, realistic water shader in Unity using URP shader graph. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Unity tutorials.